Have you ever wondered what happens during a solar eclipse? Well, it's quite a cosmic spectacle, and it all begins when the moon, the sun, and the earth align in a straight line. This unique alignment results in the moon blocking the sun's radiating light from reaching us here on Earth. In essence, a solar eclipse is a shadow play on a celestial scale. Now, there are three types of solar eclipses to consider: total, partial, and annular. A total eclipse occurs when the moon completely obscures the sun, leaving only a faint solar corona. In a partial eclipse, the moon only partially blocks the sun, creating a crescent sun effect. Lastly, an annular eclipse, also known as a ring of fire, happens when the moon is at its farthest from Earth, causing it to appear smaller and leaving a bright ring around the sun. So, now that we know what a solar eclipse is and its different types, let's delve into the science behind it. So what really happens during a solar eclipse? Well, it's all about the positioning and alignment of three celestial bodies: the sun, the moon, and the earth. During a solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and the earth, temporarily blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on Earth. But why doesn't this happen every time the moon orbits the Earth? It's due to the moon's orbit being slightly tilted compared to the Earth's orbit around the sun. This means that the moon, earth, and sun don't often align perfectly. However, when they do align, we experience what astronomers call a syzygy. This is a fancy term for when three celestial bodies line up. When the sun, moon, and earth line up just right, we get to witness the awe-inspiring phenomenon of a solar eclipse. Now let's delve a bit deeper. The size and distance of the moon and the sun play a crucial role in the type of solar eclipse we see. You see, the sun is approximately 400 times larger than the moon, but it's also about 400 times farther away. This cosmic coincidence means that from our perspective here on Earth, the sun and the moon appear to be roughly the same size. During a total solar eclipse, the moon appears large enough to cover the sun completely, plunging certain areas on Earth into temporary darkness. However, if the moon is further away in its orbit, it appears smaller and doesn't fully cover the sun. This results in an annular eclipse, where a ring of the sun's light is still visible around the moon. Finally, if the alignment is slightly off, we may witness a partial solar eclipse, where only a portion of the sun is obscured by the moon. And that, in a nutshell, is the science behind a solar eclipse. But what does this mean for us on Earth? Why should we care about solar eclipses, you might ask? Well, they have a fascinating impact on our planet that goes beyond the visual spectacle. When the moon cloaks the sun, it doesn't just darken the skies, it also brings a noticeable drop in temperature. Yes, for those brief moments, Earth cools down as if night has fallen. But it's not just us humans who notice the change. Animals too respond to this sudden twilight. Birds, for instance, may return to their nests, tricked into thinking it's nighttime. Insects that buzz around in the evening may also become more active. And let's not forget the importance of safety. Never look directly at a solar eclipse without proper eye protection. The sun's rays can cause serious damage to your eyes, even during an eclipse. So the next time you witness a solar eclipse, remember the fascinating science behind this celestial spectacle.